Hi, this is Rozani. I want to show you the progress on the mask that I started from a copier paper template. And here I've made a few outlines. And they're going to guide me in putting in a few details. So when I do this, it just gives me an idea of where I want things to go. But I'm going to paint a few coats over it and transform this mask. Here we go. I've only used acrylic craft paints for this project, but if you wanted to, you could add gesso and paint it however you like. I'm exploring the possibilities as I go. And it's beginning to come together. I like this color scheme, black and white. It's lots of fun, and there's so many possibilities. Here I'm working with black and white. Feel free to use any colors that you like. You can use 2 colors or several colors. Let's move right along. There's still a few details that I'll have to work on. But meanwhile, I want to thank you for having been here with me. And I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.